Kamusta na mga ka-addict? This video is sponsored by MONORIM. Check the link in the description and enjoy 10% discount on any item you purchase from MONORIM website using my promo code. If you purchase MONORIM dual crown air suspension fork, it includes 1 brake cable holder, 2 crown race, 1 compression ring, 2 pieces of steerer tube spacer, axle bolt with spacers and washers, 1 small bolt, reflective stickers, and a long full threaded steel with 2 nuts and 1 washer. Also, scan the QR codes for more info. This is the MONORIM dual crown air suspension fork. It's very good looking and it feels really solid in the hand. Thank you so much MONORIM for sending me this wonderful item. Perfect for front fork upgrade. This is the air valve, it's where you put the air. You will need a low volume air pump like this one. On the other side is the compression knob. It's where you can dial or adjust the compression speed. These are the parts included when you purchase a MONORIM dual crown air suspension fork. The two are the crown race that support the bearings in the headset and ensure proper alignment, while this one is the compression ring. The compression ring will maintain the steerer tube in the center of the head tube. You can directly install the MONORIM dual crown air suspension fork using these parts, with the stock bearings and the stock bearing cups of the Fiido Q1 and Fiido Q1s. But in this video, I will use a threadless headset. This is the crown race. Place it on the steerer tube. And as you can see, the crown race rests evenly on the lower crown plate. In my previous video, I already used this headset. Just simply check the link in the description. Make sure the bearing cups are properly installed. Check if the bearing cups are completely aligned or evenly installed on the head tube. This is sealed bearing. The side that has slope should be placed facing the bearing cup. Ensure the bearings are properly placed in the bearing cups. Then slowly slip the steerer tube through the head tube. Next is the compression ring. Put it on the steerer tube and try to squeeze it in between the bearing and the steerer tube. The compression ring will maintain the steerer tube in the center of the head tube. Now, put the bearing top cover. This type of cover is threadless. It's a friction fit type of cover. It has rubber installed in the side of the center hole. Push it all the way down until it presses the compression ring. Upper crown plate is next. To easily return the two arms in the upper crown plate, loosen the bolts from the lower crown plate. This will allow you full control of the two arms. Make sure the steerer tube is not wobbling. I put spacer to raise the handlebar. This one is the spacer included in the MONORIM suspension fork. This is the headset top cover expander and another spacer. This is the axle bolt included when you purchase the MONORIM dual crown air suspension fork. As you can see, I added a 5mm spacer to fill the gap. I already made a complete guide on how to install a regular tire on a fat tire bike suspension fork. You can check the link in the description. Make sure the axle bolt is tight enough. Also, check the wheel if it's not wobbling and ensure the wheel spins smoothly. Also, you can shorten or cut the steerer tube depending on the length that you prefer. I will be needing enough time to test or check the performance of this suspension fork. Once done, then I will be making a separate video regarding about its performance. I made a complete guide tutorial on how to install a dual crown suspension fork. Please check the link in the description. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to support my channel by liking, commenting, and sharing all my videos. At syempre, maraming salamat. Muli kayong naligaw sa channel ko. Ride safe lang palagi mga ka-addict.